Okay. Good morning. I'll be taking your PSM practicals. Okay. So after the blood pressure, in vital signs, we have studied about temperature, pulse, respiration, and BP. That is blood pressure. Now you write down a new chapter. You can write down Unit 2 Infection. Unit 2 Infection. Infection. Below you write down infection is the infection is the invasion invasion. Infection is the invasion and multiplication of invasion and multiplication of multiplication 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 of microorganisms multiplication of microorganisms multiplication of microorganisms bacteria such as bacteria 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 comma virus virus bacteria virus and the end bacteria virus and parasites 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 bacteria virus and parasites that are normally present within the body that are normally present within the body that are normally present within the body. So what is infection? Infection is the invasion and multiplication of bacteria, viruses and parasites. Okay, they live in our body and they survive in our body. Okay, we are like the host. So infection is anything related with the microorganisms. Okay, so right below you write down number 1 bacteria. Number 1 bacteria. Number 1 bacteria. BACTERIA bacteria. BACTERIA bacteria. At a dash, put a dash and write down. Some bacteria are harmful. Some bacteria are harmful. HARMFUL. Some bacteria are harmful. Some bacteria are harmful, but most serve as a useful purpose. But most serve as a useful purpose. PURPOSE. But most serve as a useful purpose. but most serve as a useful purpose. Full stop. They are microscopic. They are microscopic. Microscopic means you can see it only under a microscope. Okay, you can't see it with your naked eyes. You have to see through a microscope. Okay, they are very horu. They are very small in size. Okay, that's why it cannot be seen. They are microscopic, comma. They are microscopic, comma, single-celled organism. Single, S-I-N-G-L-E. Single-celled, C-E-L-L-E-D. Single-celled organism. Single-celled organism. Single-celled organism. That means they have only a single cell, only one cell is present in a microorganism, in a bacteria. Okay, single celled organism that exist in millions, that exist in millions, M-I-L-L-I-O-N-S, millions, that exist in millions, comma, millions, M-I-L-L-I-O-N-S, millions, both inside and outside other organisms. Both inside and outside other organisms. Both inside and outside other organisms. So bacteria to ki hoy? Bacteria are what? Single celled. Okay, they are single celled organism. Only one cell will be present. Okay, only at a cell. And they are microscopic. That means we can see them only under a microscope. And they are in millions. Bahut horu and we cannot be seen by our naked eyes. Okay, and they are in millions. Mane bahut besi, in millions they are present. More than the population of human beings. Okay, they are more than the population of human beings, but they are very small.
Hello, ma'am. Ma'am, infection to PSM theory logot ekke neki? PSM theory to infection
PSM
ase.
practical. Huh?
Ma'am, নহয় PSM practical ot আজি যেটা আপুনি দিছে infection এইটো PSM theory to আছে এটা infection ekke neki?
Oh, একে same hobo, ঠিক আছে?
Okay.
Note to means note to মানে PSM practicals ot likha kintu you can study for both theory আৰু practical. ঠিক আছে? আৰু বেলেগে notes নিদিও, বেলেগে দিলে বহুত বেছি হৈ যাব।
Okay, ma'am.
Other organisms, full stop. There are 5 types of bacteria. Likha, there are 5 types of bacteria. There are 5 types. Pasta types are okay. There are 5 types of bacteria. At a dash, yeah, put a dash and write down coccus, C-O-C-C-U-S, coccus, C-O-C-C-U-S, coccus, comma, bacillus, B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S, bacillus, B-A-C-I-L-L-U-S, bacillus, comma, spirillum, S-P-I-R-I-L-L-U-M, S-P-I-R-I-L-L-U-M, spirillum, comma, rickettsia, R-I-C-K-E-T-T-S-I-A, R-I-C-K-E-T-T-S-I-A, rickettsia, and the end, mycoplasma, M-Y-C-O-P-L-A-S-M-A, mycoplasma, P-L-A-S-M-A, plasma. So bacteria are 5 types ase. Okay, the 5 types are coccus, bacillus, spirillum, rickettsia, and mycoplasma. So these are the 5 types of bacteria. Okay. তাৰপিছত are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So okay, these are also some of the shapes of bacteria. Okay, different shapes. This is in the form of coccus. Okay, Streptococcus pneumonia. The shape of Streptococcus pneumonia is this. Clostridium, the shape is like this. So there are different shapes of a bacteria. Okay, Vibrio cholera. Okay, that is responsible for cholera. Salmonella typhi is responsible for typhoid, pneumonia. Okay, so these are the different shapes of a bacteria, and these are microscopic. Microscopic means you can see it only under a microscope. Okay, and these are single cell, only eta cell ase yaar, only one cell. But in human beings we don't have one cell, we have more than one cell. Okay, our body is made up of cells and tissues, kintu here only eta cell, there is only one cell present in each bacteria, and the shapes are also different. This is spirillum shape, this one is spirillum shape. Okay, the shape is spirillum. Understand? This is mycoplasma. So the shapes are all different. Next, okay, this is episode. This purple color are the gram positive bacteria, are it a pink color, these are the gram negative bacteria. Okay, now etia likha gram positive bacteria likha aru ebur likha. Write down this thing. You have to know the gram positive bacteria. All the blue color are gram positive and all the pink color are gram negative bacteria. Write down. Do the diagram. Some of you can turn on your videos.
Hello, ma'am. Hello.
Yes.
Ma'am, screen to dekhi poa nai moi.
Tomar network issue baki.
Ma'am, screen to alop zoom kore diya.
Zoom.
Yes, ma'am.
এতিয়া হ'ব? ঠিক আছে এতিয়া?
Ma'am, one.
দেখা নাই ma'am.
এতিয়া?
Yes, ma'am.
দেখিছো. Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
So gram positive bacteria লিখা আৰু এইটো simple diagram হয়, just diagram টো আঁকিখিনি Staphylococcus aureus, Clostridium botulinum এনেকুৱা লিখা. These are the gram positive bacteria and this is the gram negative bacteria. Finish?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, finish.
Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा এতিয়া লিখা number 2 virus number second point लिखा virus 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 put a dash and write down virus infects all types of life forms virus infects infects virus infects all types of life forms virus infects all types of life forms life forms forms life forms comma it replicates it replicates replicates it replicates only inside living cells of an organism it replicates only inside the living cells of an organism it infects it replicates replicates it replicates only inside the living cells of an organism example there example coronavirus example is coronavirus okay that the whole world is suffering from is coronavirus so virus are what it can affect or infect any kind of life forms it can be animals plants okay anything or aquatic life so viruses can infect all types of life forms okay and it will replicate only inside the living cells for example your coronavirus it replicates inside the host body that is the human being okay it infects your respiratory system Okay, it goes through your lungs. Okay, and it replicates there, because of which you will have sneezing, coughing, okay, breathing difficulty. So these are the symptoms of coronavirus. Why? Because it infects and it lives inside the human body, inside the host body. Okay, so it replicates only inside the living cells. So are you able to see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the various,
No,
these are,
ma'am.
huh? Screen? ঠিক আছে. So
Screen
these,
দেখি পোৱা নাই বোলো, ma'am.
okay, okay, এক মিনিট ৰ'বা. এতিয়া?
Yes, ma'am.
দেখি পাইছো,
আচ্ছা. So these are the different types of viruses. HIV virus, okay, HIV or AIDS, শুনিছে চাগে. HIV virus, hepatitis B, Ebola virus, okay, then adenovirus, influenza virus, bacteriophage. So these are the some of the types of viruses. Okay, so see this bacteriophage. What is bacteriophage? This is a type of virus, okay, that infects bacteria. It will infect the this bacteriophage. एक मिनट रुको sir. Are you able to see the screen? Are you able to see the screen?
No, ma'am.
এতিয়া?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
So
ma'am.
this is the structure of a bacteriophage. It is a virus. Okay. Into this virus will infect the bacteria. Aru ki hoy? It is also known as bacteria eater. Bacteria eater. That means why it is known as bacteria eater? Because it used to destroy or it used to eat their host cells. Okay, it used to eat their host cells. That means it used to eat other bacteria. This virus will eat. Okay, this virus eats other bacteria. So this is the speciality of a bacteriophage. Okay, and this is the structure of a bacteriophage. This is the capsid head upor just like diamond shape hoy. The shape is diamond in shape. Capsid head hoy. Then inside yellow color into acid is known as the nucleic acid or the DNA. Okay, this is the collar or the neck thingy. Okay, this is the collar. This is the sheet. This thing is the sheet.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, I can't see the screen.
So network problem hoy sage tahole. Others, are you able to see the screen? Mafia.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So itu sheet hoy. ঠিক আছে, base plate. Yeah, this is the base plate. Then these are spikes, just like a spider. Spider or spikes থাকে no, spider. Just like that, bacteriophage also it has spikes তেনেকুৱা. আৰু the last portion, a last to tail fiber বুলি কয়. So this is very important. Okay, why it is important? Because it used to destroy and eat their host cell. That is why it is known as a bacteria eater. EATER, bacteria eater. Okay, it used to eat the bacteria. It is a virus, into it eats other bacteria. That is why it is known as bacteriophage. It would diagram to draw this diagram. Draw this diagram and write down structure of bacteriophage. Very important. Draw this diagram in your practical copy.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. We will discuss the parasites and few things in the next class. Okay. It is a very small chapter. After that, we will finish our PSM practicals, and then I want to take a test. Okay, at a class test, I will take your class test, and on class test, I want all of your videos to be on. Okay, because it is a test, so your videos should be on. If your videos are off, then I will let you leave from the meeting. Okay, I will take your test. I will give you the date. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, you all can leave the meeting. Thank you.